Hi, I'm Craig with Datavideo. Today I'm in Anaheim, California at a church show, and what I'm doing is I'm showing off the brand new product that we have from Datavideo. It's a new Go kit, the Go 650 Studio. We call it the Studio because it does so many different things. For example, it's right here. You can see it does streaming, does recording, switches up to 4 cameras. I have 2 monitors. All fits inside this case that's customized for it. This would close down and I just slide it right in. So it's very portable. The great thing about it is it does so many different things. Let me kind of go into a little more detail about what's actually in the kit. First of all, the monitor is brand new for Datavideo. It's called the TLM 102. It's 2 10-inch monitors, which are big enough where I can actually see the multi-view as well as my program. Next, I have the NVS25, which is our streaming encoder. It allows me to stream to YouTube, to Facebook Live, or to my website, anything I'd like. Next, I have the HDR1 that's built in, and that's H.264 recorder. I put my thumb drive in, push the record button, starts recording. Couldn't be simpler. Also included in the kit is the SE650. It's a 4-input switcher, 2 HDSDI, and 2 HDMI inputs. Great thing is I got a built-in audio mixer right here, and I'm able to switch. You can see I'm switching from the 2 cameras that I have in there, or I can cut to it. It has chroma key, luma key, so if I want to bring in a third-party CG like Pro Presenter, no problem. Here at the show, I also brought the 2-camera Go kit. And what that's right here, it's the PTC 150 cameras, 2 of them, and the RMC 180, which controls up to 4 cameras. So this is also a kit that you can get. So if you can imagine at your church, your school, your live production studio, you have something that you can put together anywhere you want, totally portable, only from Datavideo. Thanks for watching.
Datavideo, live video production solutions.